Hi guys! Today we are learning how to transfer your Sweatcoin account to a new phone without losing your data. First, unlock your old phone and open the Sweatcoin app. One important thing to know is that Sweatcoin doesn't provide a regular logout option in the app. Because of this, you don't need to sign out before setting up your new phone. Now, install the Sweatcoin app on your new phone and open it. When the welcome screen appears, you'll be asked to sign in using the same method you used when creating your account. Choose the same login option that you used on your old phone. Signing in with the same account allows your existing Sweatcoin data and progress to appear on your new device. Once your account is logged in, tap the profile icon in the top left corner. This will open your account page, where you can access additional settings and account information. Now tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Scroll through the available options and you'll notice that there isn't a standard logout button available in the app. If you choose to delete your account, you'll need to create a completely new account afterward, which can affect access to your existing data. To avoid losing your information, it's generally better to sign in with the same account on your new phone rather than deleting it. You can keep the same account accessible on both devices if needed. And that's how you can move your Sweatcoin account to a new phone without losing your data by signing in with the same account. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below for more simple tutorials.